I did not show this, me working on it. I'm so sorry about that. But here we have the 40, or the 9430, or something, 4930s sprayer cab with the door opening right here. But we have it on our thing right here. So that's all I wanted to show you guys. Just a few more workbench updates. Catch y'all later. Hope you have a nice Sunday. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this cab yet though. Always need a cab. See, here's the old sprayer body. Maybe I could fix it up one day. I'm not quite sure. And have this cab like sit on this one. I'm not quite sure, but anyway guys, please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll catch you all later.